in for a battle.
He's happy. He's like, is this your stroller? This is your car, bud. Okay, I don't know how to do this. Shoulder strap. Next thing, when it comes up to this.
Do you like your new stroller? Do you like your car?
Here, it's gotta get tied up here.
You figure that out.
Oh, Dad! Let's go down the hallway, Dad! Oh my gosh, it's so light. It like turns on it. Look, it can swivel. Look at his face.
Oh, look at all our bottles. Mostly me.
Yeah, it's definitely mostly you. Look. Let's go into your room. See if your stroller likes it in here. Oh, look how narrow it is. It fits right in the doorway. Oh. What's this? He's so happy.
Do you like it, Corden? Do you like it? Corden, do you like it? Yeah? Do you like it? Yes, you do.
We're going to be out and about. Hey, there's the brakes. There's the brakes. And what's this thing?
When you collapse it.
Okay. And this is his little harness. Okay, there's your cup holder.
Hey, Corden? Your uncle got that for you. You like it? You're gonna like it. Oh.
So light and easy it is to like maneuver.